Welcome everyone, I am Rajdeep Acharya and today our topic of discussion is enzyme of microbial origin and their uses. I mean the industrial use of those enzymes. So basically this beautiful PPT is made by Bidisha Kongor. So let's start. Our first topic of discussion of the enzyme is amylase enzyme. So Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus oryza, Bacillus subtilis are the source of this amylase enzyme, and the use of this enzyme is in the food industry. The fungal amylase have been employed to remove starch from fruit extract and also to clarify starch turbidities in wine, beer, fruit juice, and to convert acid modified starch to sweet syrup. And this is actually the 3D view of this amylase enzyme. And now we will be talking about the second enzyme, that is cellulase enzyme. So basically Aspergillus niger and Bacillus subtilis are the source of this cellulase enzyme, and the use of this cellulase enzyme is cellulase is used in the preparation of liquid coffee concentration, and also cellulase also used in textile and detergent industries. And it is actually the 3D view of this cellulase enzyme. Our third enzyme that we will be talking about is protease enzyme. Aspergillus oryza, Bacillus subtilis, Rhizopus are those microbes from which protease is produced. The use of this protease enzyme is bacterial protease have been applied to the digestion of fish liver to liberate fish oil, to the tenderization of meat, and to clarification and maturation of malt beverage. And it is actually the 3D view of this protease enzyme. Our fourth enzyme that we will be talking about is lactase enzyme, and the Saccharomyces fragilis are the source of this enzyme, and the industrial use of lactase is lactase used in the dairy industry. It helps in hydrolysis of lactase in way to glucose and galactose, which are less laxative sugar. And it is actually the 3D view of this lactase. Our fifth enzyme that we will be talking about is lipase enzyme. So basically Aspergillus niger and Rhizopus are the source of this lipase enzyme, and the industrial use of lipase is microbial lipase remove fat from yolk residue in dried egg albumin, and also it assists mold spore in production of blue cheese flavor in spread and add to flavor of milk chocolate. And it is actually the 3D view of this lipase enzyme. And now we will be talking about our last enzyme, I mean the sixth enzyme, Pectineus. The Aspergillus niger is the source of this Pectineus enzyme, and the industrial use of this Pectineus is it is used in the food industry to clarification of wine and fruit juice. And it is actually the 3D view of this Pectineus enzyme. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am Rajdeep Acharya and this beautiful PPT is made by Bidisha Kongor. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.